posted last night. I was like, fuck.
Crazy lineup, bro. What is good, YouTube? As you can see, we're in the GT again, and it's getting critical. A little late of an intro. I wasn't gonna record, but a Black Series came, and when a Black Series comes out, you have to record. With the squad. What's good? Oh, no needs copy that. We're about to get active on the freeway. Combo drive. Don't let them through, don't let them through. We're going to Piazza GT. I've done a couple vlogs there. It's gonna be absolutely packed out with crazy cars. I mean, just by the pre-meet, I know the meet's gonna be packed out. This shit's about to be crazy. Woo. Dude, kinda dope. Bro. Yes. We're still not making it. Damn, everybody's entering.
This fucking CRP, bro.
He's mobbing. God. E63. Good little run, good little run. I don't think the cop can. Turn this way on.
On Instagram? Yeah. You didn't see that shit?
Maybe it's banned. Ooh, that looks sick.
That should have you laughing. This is they got bought it. How much?
Oh, hella people. Oh, it's packed out.
Pulling up with the squad, bro. Literally, bro. Except this Tesla.
K-Truck faster than everybody.
Like that.
Look at that 296 back. No. Imagine.
You said that shit mad casual.
Bamboozle. He thought that'd be a crazy whip.
I mean, there probably is some crazy. I see an F40 in a Testarossa. Oh, dude. F40 in a Testarossa over there.
Bro, absolutely packed out. Oh yeah, we gotta hop out and see what we got here. There's all type of shit. Insane F80 right here. Boom, wagon. I don't know if he like converted it.
I would have
Sick.
100%
It must be custom. I think this is like custom.
Seeing it in person makes everything is neat and where it should be.
It's got the cloth, white seats. It's super sick, bro.
This is sick.
This shit is nuts.
Another Speciale.
Bro, unlimited Speciales today. Hold up, bro. Look at the interior on this. What the fuck? Bro, look at the interior. What the hell? Is this factory? All carbon?
No way.
Factory with this leather?
Damn. Crazy.
Wait, is this the F8 I saw?
Crazy rims, bro. Holy shit.
Oh, Bryson,
Everything carbon.
this might be the F8 I saw on the freeway.
On the freeway line.
Look.
Yellow guts? I feel like you would have noticed that.
No, he has super dark tint. You can't tell from where I was recording.
Dude.
I think that's the best way.
Bro, look at the seats, bro.
No bullshit. Are those not Daytona buckets?
I think this is the SF90 buckets.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Wow.
This thing is super nice. Literally the craziest spec. Oh my god, the wheel is green hard too.
That is
This is next
insane.
level.
Best spec ever, bro. This is crazy.
Oh, bro, the back looks so good. Look at the paint in the sun. Works are good. That shit's like damn near 100. No words for it. Even 100 close to me at this point.
Insane, bro. This thing probably cost twice the R2,
Yeah,
bro.
it does.
Like,
I mean, yeah, this spec is
holy
insane.
shit.
Green carbon side skirts.
we got robots at the car meet.
Oh, y'all, we're back in the whip. Got a little squad, we're about to go to Canyon Run. I don't know which way they're going, but for now we got a